Hey chemistry students, this tutorial is going to focus on molality, which is different from molarity. We're still looking at the concentration of our mole of our solute, but this time we're looking at the concentration of our mole of our solute in kilograms of our solvent. Alright, so number one, we'll just go ahead and dive in. Calculate the molality of a solution of 25 grams of iodine dissolved in 500 grams of water. So the units that we need are mole and kilogram, and we have neither. But we do have 25 grams of iodine, and if you remember Brinkelhoff, you know that iodine is one of those diatomic molecules. So given that we have 25 grams, and that we can calculate the molar mass of iodine, we can figure out how many mole we have. Alright, so the molar mass for iodine, and remember we have two of them, is 254 grams per mole. So my grams are going to cancel out. Now I'm going to divide 25 by 254, and I'm going to figure out how many mole I have. So I have let's round it to 0.1 mole of iodine. So I have my top half of my equation, 0.1 mole, but now I need to figure out my kilograms of my solvent. I'm given that I have 500 grams of alcohol. And if you recall good old King Henry, who died unusually drinking chocolate milk, we now have a way of converting from grams, which is our U, it's a base unit, to kilograms. So we're going to start where we are, and we're going to jump up the ladder, 1, 2, 3. And I move 3 places to the left, so I need to move my decimal place 3 spaces to the left. So 500 grams is equal to 0.5 kilograms. I'm going to write that in, 0.5 kilograms of just my solvent. Now I'm going to solve. So 0.1 divided by 0.5, and my molality is 0.2. And we put a little m for molality. Alright, let's go on to number 2. Same thing, but this time we're going to calculate molality of a solution containing 48 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 3,000 grams of water. So again, I am not given mole of my solute, instead I'm given grams, but due to molar mass we can figure out how many mole we have. The molar mass for sodium chloride is roughly, I'm just going to round, 58 grams per mole. My grams are going to cancel out. 48 divided by 58. And I get 0.83 mole. So I have my top half, 0.83 mole of sodium chloride. I'm going to use the same metric system conversion with my ladder. So King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. We have 3,000 grams. So that's my base unit. So I'm going to jump up to kilogram. I'm going to move my decimal place 3 places to the left. And I have 3.0 kilograms. So now I'm going to divide 0.83 by 3.0, and I get that my molality in my solution is 0.2, let's round that to 8 for molality. Right, so practice this on your own. Remember that if you're given grams of a substance of your solute, you have to convert it to mole using molar mass. And if you're given grams of your solvent, you need to use the metric system conversion and get it to kilograms, and you plug in and solve. So try some of these on your own and ask me questions as needed.